Punta kami ngayon sa Likelike and actually dapat mas maaga kami Lekike, okay? Lekike, okay? It's Lekike. So we are here now looking for parking. General parking rate is $15, but if you are a resident in Hawaii, so you only pay around like $10. We're now here sa Likeke and nakapag-park na rin kami. Ganyan. So ito yung entrance dun sa trail. Kasi dito namin nakita yung mga pumasok. And I think meron din ditong ano. Meron din dyang entrance sa trail. So we are now inside Lekike Trail. Yeah, some details about the Lekike Trail is that it is almost just 1 mile and place is kind of muddy. Actually, the difficulty of this trail is somewhat easy to moderate. Pero let's see. Yeah. So at the entrance, ito yung una mo makikita agad.
Oo, para siyang malaki.
Abandonadong something na merong mga graffiti. Merong graffiti. Okay. Lagay din natin name natin. Shout out Ivy. So muddy. Ingat ka. Ingat ka sa ako'y nadulas. Nakakainis. Saan tayo? Sa mas mataas?
Ito, kasi ano, may pink.
Ah, may pink. Ayan. May ribbon. It's nice, oh. Look at that.
Alam mo, ang ibig sabihin niya sa totoong buhay.
Bakit peke pa ba tong buhay na to?
Hindi, sa life lesson.
Life lesson.
You will always find ways. Wow!
Very nice. Dito na kami sa falls. That's it. Very short, but I think it's worth it. Ano masasabi sa hike natin ngayon?
Ang hike natin ngayon is very easy. Very kids friendly. Maganda po siya. Recommended ko po siya. Probably rated 8 out of 10.
Wow.
Kasi sayang di tayo nakaligo.
So kasalanan natin. Dito tayo daanan.
We shall return. I shall return. Return the views.
So it turns out, mayroon pa palang mga magagandang, pwede mo pa tong ikutin yung labas ng parking. Yeah, when you go there, ay, ganyan, when you go there, Yan, dyan banda yung restroom. Yan, so para paikot siya. And dun around sa restroom na yon, yung public restroom na yon, kita mo yung scene ng bundok na yan. Yan. It's really beautiful. Yan, ang ganda. Kahit maiksi lang yung hike dun sa mismong trail proper, still worth it kasi ang ganda ng view paglabas mo. So, don't just do hiking. I would suggest libutin nyo tong area so that you can see the whole scenery. Really cool, really cool.